Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video coming at you with video review number 55. We just got our earnings. I just got the bell notification here. Another great day, guys. 0.66%. Wow, I made $75.92. Insane, guys. So, if you look at, I'm just going to go to investments here. Scroll down and see I have highlighted Forex market. In 5 days, guys, I made $340.48. So this is a record week for me. I've never made this much money in the system, guys, in 1 week, in 5 days. It's unbelievable. I just think the economy is doing real well. Like gas prices have gone down. People are out shopping, going to events, buying things, going to restaurants. So I think the dollar is going up, and the bot that does the forex trading, it knows that, it knows what direction it's going to go. So it's betting against that for the forex, and yeah, it's making us great money, guys. Oh, guys, if you're watching this video, I highly suggest you guys invest in this. Like, where else are you going to have your money invested in something? Like a bank, a GIC, or anything else, and you'll make $340.48 in 5 days, guys. And that's, of course, because I have 15,000 invested, but still, I mean, if I had 15,000 in anything else, I'm not going to make this type of money, guys, just in 5 days. So you guys see the proof here. If you guys are just kind of, checking out S Group, you were doing a few searches online and you want to kind of get some more information on it, it's a British investment fund that participates in the Forex market, S Pharmaceutical, which is medical cannabis, SIPO, which is various stocks they have partnerships with, and Liquidity Mining, which is their own token system. So it is, guys, these four areas, they have a computerized program or computerized bot that does everything for you. All you have to do is have your money in any one of four of these areas and just let it work itself. I personally started in the company in October of 2020. At that time, all they did was Forex market. And I remember at the time they said these are coming soon, these other areas. And so I just started with Forex market and I left it. I built my account up over 6 months. I put $4,000 in, and 6 months in, I was at 5,000, which was April 2021, and now we're in July, the end of July of 2022, and I'm just approaching 16,000. I think I'm about $560 away from 16,000, guys. So for me, the goal is to get to 20,000. Of course, I want to keep growing, but I'm kind of excited for 20,000 because at that point, guys, I will be making $500 per week USD, which is insane money, guys. I'm planning on eventually quitting my job. I guess it'll be around December, January time frame. December, January, February, somewhere around there. And I'll just live off of S Group, guys. Enjoy the nice life, relax. That's kind of the goal, guys. So if you guys have any further questions about S Group, my email address is in the description down below. Make sure you shoot me an email, and I'll gladly reply back, fill in all the details. Also, if you want to sign up and join S Group, there's a sign up link, referral link just below this video. If you click it, you will see a page where you just fill out all your information. You sign up and you'll be a part of my team, and I'll walk you guys through everything. I've been with the company almost 2 years now, so I'm well versed on everything. When you start, guys, it's good to start off at either one of these two levels. I have a buddy in Trinidad, and a really good friend of mine, and he's at this level right now, and he's loving the system, guys. I think he's going to upgrade to this next level, but for now he's just swimming in this level right now, making some decent money for the money he has invested, guys. So I'm getting close to the end of my 5-minute video. I just wanted to do this quick update. The week is over. I made an astonishing $340.48 USD, and I'm excited for next week, guys. So Thank you very much. So enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you in the next video.